Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Laura from DisDivasMagical Adventures. So I want to wish everyone a happy new year, and I hope that you have a great start to your year and it's full of joy and beautiful memories. I'm really excited today to open this box. Don't mind my voice a little bit. I've been losing my voice on and off. But this is the Year of the Ear swap, and I'm really excited. So this is the final one for 2022, and the theme was snacks. So I'm really interested to see what I got. I already know who my ears are from. So Val from Singer Family Adventures has picked these out for me, and they were made by Christine from Magic Wishing Star. So I'm really excited to dive right in. I'm trying to look to see if there's a note. I already opened the box. Let's see. So it says, "Hi Laura, Valerie from Singer Family Adventures asked me to make these sweet ears for December, Year of the Ear. We really hope you like them. Christine. I wish upon a Starr Creations on behalf of Valerie Singer Family Adventures." So I've never gotten anything from Val or Christine, so I'm really interested to see these ears. And I like that you got little baby Yoda right there. That's really cute. Oh, these are really cute. Oh, and there's something written on the back. Okay, so I'm going to open these so you guys can better see them. So these are little cupcakes. How cute. I really like this because it reminds me of the little cupcakes that Disney gives you when it's your birthday. So maybe they're birthday cupcakes, but those are really cute. Birthday Mickey cupcakes. And then on the back, it says, "So sweet." So these are really cute. Thank you so much, Valerie, for getting these for me, and Christine for making these. These are adorable, and I don't have any ears that are snack ears, so I'm excited to be able to take these on a trip, or maybe even the Disney cruise we're going on. That would be really fun. Okay, so I'm going to take these ones off. These were from last month, and put these ones on. You guys can see, super cute, very lightweight. Thank you so much to Valerie and Christine. I really love these ears. I love being a part of this swap. I won't be in the swap till March for Year of the Ear, but I'm very excited that I get to be a part of these swaps. They're so much fun for me. And if you guys don't know, there are 2 giveaways. Make sure that you go and watch all the videos to see who has the giveaways. It's a really great time. This is a great swap, and I'm so glad to be a part of it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that you have a blessed new year and just a great time with your family and friends, and I will see you again next time. Bye guys, see you real soon.